Thank you. Our next speaker for 2 minutes is Madam Paunova.
Thank you, Chair. I would like to think that today I stand here before you not so much as an MEP, but actually as a young person, because the growing numbers of young people that are unemployed in Europe is scaring me. It's scaring me for two reasons. Because A, I'm afraid that my generation could be a lost one, and B, a lot of the young people of today would decide not to realize their potential here in Europe. Programs like the Youth Employment Initiative and the Youth Guarantee, borne out here in this agenda, have ambitious goals backed by substantial funding. And while there is much talk about their aspiration, we know very little about their achievements. I would very much like to know how many young people had benefited from the Youth Guarantee so far, and what trends are we observing in the reduction of unemployment as a result. I do understand that perhaps the achievements might be difficult to assess and that there is a sound reason for that. But we need to adopt a fundamentally different approach, one that goes beyond pledges and guarantees and devises a grand strategy for tackling the problems faced by the youth instead. A three-step plan proposed last year, which is based on tax breaks, entrepreneurship investment and skill-based education, was backed by the Council and the European Parliament. Providing such a model, as it tackles several key components simultaneously, I think is crucial. Providing security and stability for the young people in our continent requires more than individual programs and initiatives. It requires an overhaul of old practices, a reform from the bottom up, a change of thinking, culture and decisive action. As the Commissioner said, investing in the Youth Guarantee is crucial. I would say let's start thinking of how to invest in people more than in guarantees. Thank you.
Thank you. Will you accept the blue card? Yes, blue card. Thank you.
Kiitoksia, rouva puheenjohtaja. Ensinnäkin haluan korjata yhden virheen, jonka esititte. Sanoitte, että nuorisotakuu-aloite on syntynyt täällä. Ei se ole